Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Skullcandy EcoBuds, wireless earbuds that promise both eco-friendliness and solid audio performance. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The EcoBuds are built from recycled materials, which is a big win for eco-conscious consumers. They have a rugged yet sleek look with vibrant colors and embossed branding, typical of Skullcandy's style. The buds themselves are lightweight and comfortable. But the case is where things get interesting. It's actually a battery-free charging dock, which means no extra playtime on the go. This might be a deal-breaker for some. Moving on to controls, the EcoBuds impress with their touch-sensitive interface. You can manage calls, adjust EQ modes, and control playback with various tap gestures, which is quite intuitive. They also support voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri, making hands-free operation seamless. Now, let's talk about sound. The EcoBuds deliver a warm sound profile with a noticeable emphasis on bass, which Skullcandy is known for. The mids are solid, making vocals and instruments clear. However, the high frequencies lack the crispness you might find in more premium models. There are 3 EQ modes: music, bass boost, and podcast, accessible through taps on the right earbud, catering to different listening preferences. Unfortunately, where the EcoBuds fall short is in call quality. The microphones pick up a lot of background noise, making it challenging to hold clear conversations. On the upside, Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable connectivity with minimal lag across devices, supporting both AAC and SBC codecs for decent audio streaming. Battery life is where Skullcandy takes an unconventional approach. The buds themselves offer up to 8 hours of playtime on a full charge, which is respectable. However, the charging case, while eco-friendly, doesn't recharge the buds on the go. It simply acts as a docking station. Rapid charge technology gives you 2 hours of playtime with just a 10-minute charge, which is handy if you're in a pinch. So, should you buy the Skullcandy EcoBuds? If you prioritize eco-friendliness and decent audio quality over extended playtime and excellent call performance, then these might be a good fit for you. They're priced competitively and offer solid touch controls with a sustainable design. However, if you need more from your wireless earbuds, like better call quality and longer battery life, there are other options in this price range worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Skullcandy EcoBuds. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you've tried them yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.